As a sign of our commitment, I can announce that the EU has begun to gradually lift measures introduced in June 2023. The decision opens the door for greater opportunities for Kosovo's development and also closer ties with Europe. But it's conditional on sustained de-escalation in the north. As I said, the EU has begun lifting the measures, but I think this is important to understand that at the same time we don't want to see the escalation in the north. Why I'm saying this is that I have been personally convincing member states that we need to move the measures for Kosovo, but some are saying that, Kosovo also needs to respect the Ohrid Agreement, and the escalation in the north is going in conflict with that. And therefore, this is a struggle that we are at. So first, we are ready to do the steps on our side, but we really, really need to see de-escalation in the north.